How to sign up for ShareASale affiliate program. Hey guys, if you're looking to dive into affiliate marketing and earn commissions by promoting various products and services, you are in the right place. Today we are going to guide you through the process of signing up for the ShareASale affiliate program. Let's get started. Before we jump into the sign up process, let's take a moment to learn about ShareASale. ShareASale is a leading affiliate marketing network that connects advertisers with publishers like you to promote product and earn commissions. Before we proceed, make sure you have a website, blog, or social media platform where you plan to promote affiliate products. Basic contact information, your preferred payment method details like bank or Pioneer. As you can see this interface on my screen, you can easily access it by clicking the link in my description box. Once you click the link, you will land on this page. Then you need to scroll down, then click on affiliates, and here click on partner with new retailers today. Now it's time to provide your information. Start by entering your account information including your name, email address and desired password. Make sure your password is secure. Then you need to click on step 2. Then you need to provide your website URL and in which language your website is written, some promotional strategies and your website content. Then you need to provide some email information and your contact information. And in the last, you need to select your preferred payment method and provide the necessary detail. You can choose from options like direct deposit, check or Pioneer. Take a moment to read ShareASale terms and conditions. Make sure you understand and agree to them before proceeding. Once you have filled out all the required information and agree to the terms, click the Create Account or Submit Application button. Your application will be reviewed by ShareASale and they will notify you via email once you are approved. This process may take a little time, so be patient. Once you've approved, you will have access to the ShareASale dashboard where you can explore various affiliate programs and start promoting products to earn commission. Congratulations! You are now signed up for the ShareASale affiliate program. Remember to create valuable content and apply effective marketing strategies to maximize your earning. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumb up and subscribe our channel for more affiliate marketing tips. Thanks for watching and happy affiliate marketing.